got a bit of an unboxing to do for you. You can see here we have got this large, big cardboard box down here. It's another bike from Eskute. Eskute have sent us the brand new 2024 bike. We've got Miss Marta with us as well, so she's going to have a bit of an opening. I'm hoping she's going to have a ride it and put it together for you. So we're going to do a few videos. We're going to do an unboxing to show you what you get in the box. I'm then going to do another video. If you want to watch that, I'll put a link up for you as well. We're going to put like an assembly, and I'm going to let Miss Marta put it together and see how she gets on with that.
Because the difference here is you've already done it like
I've
3
done
times.
a few, yeah.
I haven't done it even once, so let's see whether I can put it together.
Yep, and also we're going to make sure the battery's charged, and we're going to take it out a bit of a run and do a bit of a trial on it and see what it's like.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Okay, so inside the box, you can see here we've got a full set of bubble wrap and zippy ties and stuff like that. Let's cut some of these cable ties off. The battery is on the top here, so we're going to release a few of these and let this out. The easiest probably way to do it is with a pair of snips rather than a pair of scissors. They are very well packaged. They do make sure that everything's got padding in it and foam in it to protect all the components. Nothing's actually rubbing against anything. No. And the front wheel is out. Set of handlebars on the front.
Can I take these off now?
Yeah.
Oh, handlebar. It's disconnected, but it's not, isn't it?
No, it's all connected. We've got a seat.
I like the packaging. It really kind of makes it, kind of gives you a feel of that it's all secure, isn't it?
Right, so in the box we have a saddle and a seat stem. Front wheel handlebars are not attached, they're loose, so they have to be fitted with a light as well that's hanging down. We've also got the pedal arms are already on, the battery is connected, so we need to find the key, which is normally attached to the handlebars somewhere.
Yeah, they are here.
So inside here we've got some cable ties, a manual, a toolkit, pedals, reflector, a stand, and a charger, I would assume. So that's our initial unboxing done. Everything's laid out in front of us. You can see here the bike is still sitting in its box. We haven't attached anything, haven't moved anything. So unboxing is the easy part really, just to show you what we have actually in the box. So I showed you before, we've got the wheel, front wheel's loose. We've got a stem for the wheel to put the wheel in, the pedals, seat stem and seat, charger, got a stand and a little toolkit as well. And in the toolkit, I expect you probably get all the tools to actually assemble this and the sort of thing you keep with you on the bike. So inside here we've got a little assembly. We've got some Allen keys, screwdrivers by the looks of it, and yeah, some spanners. So everything you need really to assemble the bike, even though I would probably advise using some bigger, chunkier tools if you've got them. These are very handy for keeping actually on the bike when you're out and about. So yeah, let's get this thing assembled. So if you want to watch the assembly video, this is going to be in a separate video. Thanks for watching the unboxing. The M100 from Eskute. It's a sports outdoor activity bike, a cross between sort of road mountain bike, but it's looking a little bit pretty. A very different style to their previous bike. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now, and that's that bit done for you. Ready for the next bit.